How to replace the cabin air filter on a Ford F-150, probably on most of the newer models. This is a Ford F-150 2021, so it's very simple. You open that and then you release the tabs from the side and the other side. Do it like this. There we go. It's just gonna come right out. It's right in here. It's easier than you think. We got one tab on this side, other tab on that side, and basically slide it up like that. Oh my god, look at that. I haven't replaced it in 4 years. Oh yeah, make this your reminder. Good god. Okay, some of them have errors, this one doesn't, but I pulled out the other one with these tabs on top, so we're just gonna do the same thing and just slide it on in, just like so, just like that. Takes less than 1 minute, because I'm not gonna skip anything, I'm not gonna speed anything up. This is all it took. It's all in the video. And you just gotta put this back in. This is it. That's all it took. Thanks for watching.